Dermology Anti-Aging Solution Review. It's an all-natural anti-aging product. Dermology Anti-Aging Solution has been clinically and scientifically tested and approved as top-of-class anti-aging solution. It works deeper to reduce and eliminate the root causes of skin wrinkles, sagging, and aging without injections, surgeries and the negative side effects of chemical treatments. Why choose Dermology Anti-Aging Solution? It eliminates appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Removes the appearance of unsightly crow's foot. It improves the skin's firmness and elasticity. Plus, it protects the skin from future signs of aging. How it works. Dermology Anti-Aging Complete Formula uses only the finest natural ingredients to reduce the appearance of aging and restore the vitality of your skin. Dermology Anti-Aging Complex combines. Hyaluronic acid helps to firm skin with moisture infusion at the cellular level. Nicknamed by the press as the key to the fountain of youth. Argireline works to relax the skin's muscle fibers and remove surface wrinkles. Matrixyl 3000 is proven to promote healthy-looking collagen in the skin, and has a lifting effect on the skin. Dermology ingredients have been clinically tested to add more moisture to the skin, and to keep it there for longer. Also, maintain healthy and hydrated skin. Regular use will leave the skin healthier, plumper, and firmer. No painful injections. No expensive lasers. No invasive surgery. No problems. Testimonials, what happy customers are saying. More testimonials from happy customers. Dermology Anti-Aging Solution isn't just the best in the market, it's also your right to have a wrinkle-free face and enjoy a youthful complexion. Finally, you can regain that fresh and youthful complexion with Dermology Anti-Aging Solution.